What's up guys? Welcome back to Minecraft. Today we're gonna start my second season of Let's Play video. On 0.14 guys, it's already out. Build 1. Now let's start. By the way, I didn't upload the video that I end Land of Epicness. Season 1 because I kind of just blew up the lab. I can't get a wither skeleton head on my other video. Plus I already killed like one wither only. It didn't even drop something valuable. So let's start the season here by placing this pumpkin in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm watching TV. Okay guys, I was thinking I was just really stupid for deleting that because before they released 0.14, I already deleted that in my swamp biome, right? I might actually have and a slime block, a trampoline on Minecraft. If you don't know guys, that the Minecraft trampoline is the slime block. Let's see guys. Hope you subscribe to my video. I wonder what if I guys, I want to say that please guys, I want you guys to help another fellow YouTuber, Rage Elixir. His main channel's been terminated. I don't know why and I don't care. There's one thing I care about. Help him now. Yes, please. I would gladly appreciate if you helped him, and he would appreciate it, really. Help this dirty channel. Yeah, so cold. I'm gonna freeze to death. So cold there. Okay guys, if you're thinking why is there no 0.13 update future video, and it's too boring doing it in creative, so I just did a survival. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to tell you about the witches. A witch can actually spawn, like has a percent like a zombie spawning, and has a percent, I think a low chance. And 3. Expecting guys for 0.14 that they would actually fix the fighting style. moment of silence. Guys, the reason why I do stuff like that because somebody might enter this room and interrupt the recording. Or because it's too noisy outside. Really noisy. Damn it. Oh, the log. It's really real. Oh yeah. A chess. Guys, oh yeah, by the way, forget to tell you. When I was checking the inventory, they're not yet done with the pistons because the pistons aren't added and the furnace minecart. I was really expecting the furnace minecart, guys. You know why? Because it's like this. You're gonna my throat. Put some coal, yeah, coal. Or block of coal. Anything that you can burn. It's like a train. You know how in the life they shove coals on trains? That's how it's going to be. It's kind of boring. I hope on 0.14 guys, 0.15. I hope they freakingly added a boss. Like the Elder Guardian and the Wither. Or Ocean Monument. Minecraft developers, if you're watching this, please do me a favor. I'm really asking for this feature. Please add an Ocean Monument or a Wither. A Wither boss. And if I say, oh yeah. Please do something about the fighting, the combat on FV. Change the weapon. Like, it's going to be on PC, guys. The Axis is strongest. Next to, I think, the Axis is strongest but the slowest. The fastest is the hoe. What's next to the hoe again? I think it's shovel. It's a shovel or the pickaxe. Shovel. And the sword is in the middle. Sinian.